Greetings, fellow couponers and shoppers. Today is Wednesday, October 26th, and this is week 2 of the latest buy 5, get $1 off the register for each item. You don't have to buy multiples of 5, but I did. I got 10 items right here. Picked up some weekly deals and a couple other deals, so let's get going here. Where to start here? Oh, right here in the front. The Purdue Chicken Shortcuts. These are $2.99 a piece, and there's an Ibotta rebate for $1.50 off of 2. The Chobani Oat Milk. This is $3.49. I had an e-coupon for $1. There is an Ibotta rebate of 75 cents, and then there's the Kroger CashBack of 75 cents. I'm not holding my breath on the Kroger CashBack because the last time I had one, it didn't work. The Skin Salad Dressing. These are the big bottles. What are these? 24 fluid ounces. These are $2.99. There's an Ibotta rebate of $1 off of 2, and also a maybe Kroger cashback of $1 off of 2. I'm not holding my breath on those. And then let's see, this is really pricey here. The Wild Planet albacore, solid albacore, and I got the no salt version. I had a Catalina coupon for $1.25 off of 2 that was going to be expiring in a couple days, and these are $2.99 a piece, and that's the sale price. I think regularly they're like $4.99. I did get 2 of the Wishbone salad dressings, Italian. Those are $1.49. Now, I had one of those little tags, hang tags, I guess you call it, that was on, I noticed on this, and it was for the Cremosa variety of the Chipotle, of the Herdez. Now, I've bought some of this in the past, and if I remember correctly, there's more than just this one Chipotle salsa variety of Cremosa. There's other Cremosas, but my store didn't have any. So anyway, this was $1.99, and then that hang tag took $1 off of that. So and that's it. I guess is that 10 items there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 10 items on Mega Sale. Now for some weekly deals, I got some butter. I really didn't need to get any, but I'll throw this in the freezer just in case. You never know how the economy is going to go. It's $3.49, a little pricey. I remember when we were used to getting this under $2, but oh well. The seedless mini sweet peppers. These were $2.99. I really like them. The Zatarain's smoked sausage. This is $2.99, and I picked up 2 sliced cheeses from Kroger Cheeses for $1.79. Now these Liebmann's, there's 2 different. They're 99 cents, and I've noticed there were 2 different kinds. One is the antibacterial, it says on there, and then there's this other one that's what is that? Baked on and tough jobs, and this really looks more heavy duty than this. Looks a little flimsy. I don't know. So that's it for the weekly, and then a few other things. I got the Clio. These were $1.79. They were not on sale. I did have an e-coupon for $1 off of 2, and then there's an Ibotta rebate of 50 cents times 2 off of each one. So that helped out a little bit there. The Frutella checkout 51 still has a 50 cent cash back on that. Now I scanned it in store with the shop kicks, and I got 25 shot kits for scanning it. But since I used I think 50 kicks, I claimed 50 kicks the other day, and so it won't let me apply for any more. Now the Yoplait, I did pick up 5 of these. This is I had they're over on the coupons.com app. There's a 50 cents off of 5 coupon. These are still on sale for 60 cents. And then there is a Ibotta for 40 cents off of 4. And this also over on the coupons.com app. It also applies towards that spend 15, get 3 back. I got a long way to go on that. I don't think I'll be if I'll reach that by the 1st of November. Oh, and by the way, this is the item that had a Kroger cashback about a week or 2 ago, and it pulled it, okay, out of my queue, but I never got paid for it. So that's why I'm not holding my breath on Kroger cashbacks on those other 2 items. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.